Hello, everyone. Welcome to English Habit 360. Today, we will learn 3 very small words. These words are a, an, and the. They are called articles. Don't worry, articles are very easy. Let's learn them step by step. What is a? We use a before one person or one thing. For example, a boy, one boy, a girl, one girl, a book, one book, a cat, one cat. Let's make some sentences. I have a book. She has a cat. He is a teacher. She has a bag. I need a pen. He has a car. He eats a banana. She buys a dress. I see a dog. Very easy. Remember, a equals one person or one thing. What is an? We use an before a word that starts with a vowel sound. The vowel letters are A, E, I, O, U. For example, an apple, one apple. An ice cream, one ice cream. An owl, one owl. An umbrella, one umbrella. Let's make sentences. I eat an apple. She has an umbrella. She has an orange. He is an actor. He eats an egg. I see an elephant. I want an ice cream. I need an eraser. He is an engineer. Remember, a boy, an apple. Not an boy, a apple. What is the? Now let's learn the. We use the when we talk about a specific person or thing. For example, I see a dog. The dog is black. Here, we first say a dog. We don't know which dog it is. Then we say the dog. Now we know which dog we are talking about. Another example. I have a book. The book is very interesting. First, a book. Then, the book, because now we know which book. Let's make sentences. The sun is bright. The sky is blue. The moon is beautiful. The book is on the table. The cat is sleeping. The dog is cute. The door is open. The car is red. The food is delicious. A, an, or the. Let's practice. Which answer is correct? Take a moment and choose the right answer. The correct answer is an apple. Which answer is correct? Take a moment and choose the right answer. The correct answer is a bag. Which answer is correct? Take a moment and choose the right answer. The correct answer is a dog. Which answer is correct? Take a moment and choose the right answer. The correct answer is the dog. Which answer is correct? Take a moment and choose the right answer. The correct answer is an egg. Which answer is correct? Take a moment and choose the right answer. The correct answer is an umbrella. Easy rule to remember. A equals one thing person. An equals one thing person plus vowel sound. The equals a specific thing person. So remember, A equals 1. An equals 1 plus vowel sound. The equals specific. That's it. Don't worry if you make mistakes. Practice every day. The more you practice, the better your English will become. Thank you for watching.